go.
Oh, it looks like a piece of poop. Doesn't it?
No, not really.
Yeah,
It's brown.
You're brown.
Are you saying that because it's brown? You meanie?
Like you.
I'm brown?
Oh, yeah, you are.
I look peach in the camera.
Eh.
Why do I look peach in the camera? Guys, do I look peach? Be honest. Do I look peach? Do I look peach? Do I look peach, guys? Look at my eyeball. I don't know. I don't know if I look peach or not. I might have just been joking around and I don't know. Why isn't this soft anymore? And I'm sorry about the lighting. It has a mind of its own. Let's mold this into a snowman. A snowman. As Miranda Sings would say. A snowman. Snowman. Let's showcase. Cups, paper cuts. And her hooks, yeah.
Okay.
Here's really red. Beautiful magenta.
You're beautiful, Magenta.
Actually, a chocolate chip. You want to eat the chocolate chip? Yeah. Here.
Huh?
I see here.
I know.
Here. Eat it.
You eat it.
Okay.
Just kidding. No, you're gonna die.
It's gum.
Oh. Then never mind. You're not gonna die. I'm pretty sure that this will be the test.
What did you think it was, clay?
Huh?
You thought it was clay?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Less.
Ay, Gabriel, te comiste los míos.
No, no me has comido, solo rompí.
¿A quién fueron los tuyos?
Pues no dijiste, lo pusiste ahí en la mesa. Fucking bad, Mark.
Let me see.
Papa.
Oh, it's
Papa himself, the maker, the creator.
Papa Marker.
Papa
Daddy
Sharpie.
Marker. Daddy Marker. Marker Daddy. Daddy Marker.
Okay, I get it. Poppy chopping.
It's kind of funny.
You're funny.
Oh, you're funny. You're funny. You're funny. You're funny. You're funny. This This part.
Oh, you don't even know what's deep.
Alright, don't tell anyone, but that's her song with her cousin, and he told me not to tell anyone, and I just can't get it off my mind.
What?
I said, my friend told me not to tell anyone this song. This part.
That's not even how you sing it.
I know, and then it's like a different song. She said that her and her sister sing that for like a code. Something.
Oh.
I don't know. He just told me not to tell anyone because it's kind of embarrassing. So I'm like, oh, okay. I just couldn't get it off my mind. It's too funny. Judith, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. I don't think she even knows my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I wonder if I tell her if she get mad. Here's my mustache.
Oh,
Despacito. How are you even gonna open that?
what, homie?
Oh, Oh, it's from the back. Huh? Or you open it like that? I thought you opened it like that.
Just leave them there, please.
Just want to see what color. It's for 9. I mean, fine. For 9. This one. I'm gonna go jump on the bed for you guys. Let's go. Wait, someone call me? Someone call me?
¿No tienes tarea?
No, nothing on today. Because it's open house.
Ya no fuimos porque está lloviendo.
¿Quieres que llegue mañana?
No.
Rich cat.
Luego me quería bañar y se pasó y se fue. ¿Está mi teléfono, Gabriel? Ay.
Isn't that look like doors?
¿Comes también?
Don't know where the other one is though.
Sí, eso da cuenta.
Whatever. Oh my god, I made a base. Ta-da! With the nail. Then By the way, go check out Jessie V's channel and Brittany 44, whatever. They are the best. Well, in my opinion. You guys don't really have to go check out their channel if you don't want to. Just saying. Go tell them that I said this. I want to get a shout out. I actually never got a shout out. It's kind of sad. Huh? Let me see this.
Just search it up on your phone. Dragon Ball Legends, I think.
Dragon Ball Legends. I'm a fan of Dragon Ball Z, so no making fun. I know there's some out there too. I think. I don't know. I'm not a boy, by the way. See?
Sí, pero vamos a dar una.
I feel like YouTubers don't really mostly show their face. Like, don't really like to do face reveals like Marshmallow. Everything. I put the gum on it. Hello. It was the gum. It's perfect. This Look, they can't see you. Yeah. I'm not recording you because they can't see you. The gum's on the camera. Look.
What?
See?
Okay.
See?
Agarré el tenedor.
It's on.
¡No!
Ma,
Sí, están hasta abajo. Oye.
quiero hacer más.
Move.
Ma, quiero una quesadilla de burrito.
De burrito.
Una quesadilla como la tuya.
Taco?
Yeah.
Oh
Ya lo voy
my.
a hacer porque viene para allá abajo.
¿Escuchaste?
Gabriel solo hay de. Oh, aquí estira.
No.
Yay. A ver, está bueno. Look at this.
Porque ya no agarré del
Think about it.
otro.
Skin, like that.
Es el otro.
Ma,
What the fuck is my phone?
Acá está.
Take that shit. ¿Qué? Oh, ¿mi teléfono está allá?
ma.
Ahorita que venga, porque voy a ir por la ropa. Ahora pregunto con una.
Yeah. Thanks. My bare hands.
Ya le di uno.
Is it cable on? Oh. Okay.
พี่จะเนี้ยก่อน
Oh.
Well,
Yeah. Wait.
You get your money back. Let's pack this up.
Necesitamos doble de queso.
I can make one of these.
Necesitamos doble queso. Agarren uno con doble queso.
It's just a tortilla, then you put queso inside it. Delicious.
so vamos. Oh, good.
Went to the California. You might as well try it.
Let me ask you a question. Are you still doing all these videos yourself?
Do it.
Close your mouth.
Delicious.
Now, watch as I do something else.
Para que no se